In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show ads in Google Maps using Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Campaign. In the Campaign settings, look for the Assets option. Click and expand it. Then click Asset from the dropdown. Here, you'll see 3 tabs on the top: Associations, Performance, and Expanded Final URL Assets. Make sure it's on the Associations tab. Now, in the Associations tab, you'll see a bunch of buttons. There, look for the Location button and click on it. Then, click on the plus icon below it to create your asset. You'll be asked to choose a location for your account. Choose and click Continue. Then, in the next window, choose Google Maps. You'll see a map and also a search option right next to it. Click on the Search tab and search for your location. Click on it from the search results. Then, click Continue. Once the campaign is live, your ads can appear in Google Maps search results and nearby locations. And that's it. That's how you show ads in Google Maps with Google Ads. Thanks for watching.